Welcome back everybody, and welcome if you're new. Start of a new video. We're putting up the lights around the tree. Join us. Say hi, babe. Say hi. Let me put this down. Putting up some lights around the tree so it can look pretty. Get ready for summer.
Yeah. Put it in there. Put it in there. Go get it. Yes, the girl. Bring it here. Give it to me. Bring it. Give me here. Give me here. Give me. Come on. Don't take off of it. Drop it. Put it down. She'll drop it and then Tracy wants me to chase her around. Yeah.
Guys, you gotta stay tuned, and then tonight I'll show you how they look, okay? I know I gave somebody an idea out there. Ooh, it looks really nice at night. Remember my babies from yesterday, guys? Like I need it anymore because I have like a million different things in the barn. Because we gotta take it back out when we put the mulch in the... Yep. That's all she wrote. That's all. So guys, those 4 pots at the bottom are all flower bulbs. I'm hoping they come out, guys. Huh? Guys, I wanted to show you these little things you put inside. They're like decoration, but you fill it up with water and it keeps the plant's soil moist. They're so pretty. I got a bumblebee and a little angel or elf or something.
And I got a bear. I have a bear. I got a teddy bear. What is that? Well, you can't have it. You can't have it.
One more, buddy.
She's trying to steal my decorations for when I decorate the front of the house. It ain't happening. I gave her already, what, about 4 there? 9 I gave her. Voila. It can't happen like that. She got to share. Share is caring. Sharing is caring.
I take him to the store and he told me, why are you buying that stuff, right? So I only buy a couple. I sent him back to the store to get something totally different. He comes back with a whole box full of those little things. And now he don't want to share with me. Believe that?
I did. I gave you 9.
Let me see. I need my clip. So guys, this is what I'm talking about. And then it has a little hole and you fill it with water and you put it in your flower pots. I'm gonna show you what my husband did. He went and bought a whole box. He acts like he doesn't like these things in the store. It's a beautiful day out, guys. What's everybody up to? See squash. The lights are on. They're just getting sun so that they can turn on. So the whole tree has lights. What is it? Solar lights. So nice out. Beautiful day, guys. Beautiful day. About to cook. Be right back. Guys, I'm gonna show you what my husband did. So I sent him to the store to get something totally different, right? So we saw these yesterday. I bought like 2 of them. He says, oh, why are you buying those? I said, because they're for the plants and they're pretty. So I sent him to the store today. He comes back with a whole box. I don't know if you can. We put half of them in the flower pots outside, the whole box. And he said he didn't like them. Go figure. Look, guys, what we did today. Looks so pretty. Looks nice. That's what we were doing today, guys. Looks really, 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 really nice.
Which was the last solar thing? See if I could stop them from flashing.
Yay! Looks pretty, guys. Thank you for watching.